today we're doing 3 exercises for relief from knee pain. So if you have knee osteoarthritis, or you're bone on bone, or you're getting surgery soon for your knees, these 3 exercises will help you to get stronger and give you some relief. We're starting with the leg extensions. So we're simply just sitting here, good posture, shoulders are back, bringing one foot up, thinking about flexing the muscles in your quads, and then coming back down, going to the other side. So really flex here and back down. It's as simple as that. Just keep going. We're going to do 10 on each side. Flex and down. 3 and down. So this is just building muscle in your legs. The more muscle you have in your legs, the more it's going to support your knees. So you shouldn't feel any pain. You might feel some discomfort, but the point is, if you want to continue walking, you have to keep moving. So this may not relieve pain instantly. It's going to take time. So just continue to do these exercises, ideally every morning and every evening to start, and gradually building up to do more. So remember to flex as that foot comes up. And I believe we have 2 more on both sides. And last time on the other side. So the next one is going into the heel and toe raises. So simply lifting the heels as much as you can and then lifting the toes up. So this is just strengthening the lower part of your legs and toes. So they may seem like simple exercises, but they're really going to help. So this will be video 1. I'm going to create some other ones so you'll have different stages of exercises. So as you find that these are getting really easy, then you can move on to the next video to challenge yourself a little bit more over time. So start with once a day, moving into twice a day. You can even do this 3 times a day. The video is pretty short. And then when you feel it gets really easy and you feel like you're building some strength, then you can move on to the next video. And if you're able to stand, you can also do this standing behind a chair. So just holding on to the back of the chair and lifting your heels up and then your toes up. Let's do 2 more. And last one. Good, okay, our third and last exercise is the sit to stands. So we're simply trying to stand up and then sit back down. So have your heels back a little bit under the chair just to make it a bit easier. If you find this one hard, you can use your hands to help you get up, rock forward, stand up as much as you can, and then bring your hips back as you sit back down, using your hands if need be. If you don't need your hands, then you can just have them at the side and then come back down. Remembering to put your weight into your heels, take some of the pressure off the knees, and then come back down. This is already number 4. So our goal is 10 today. 5, 6. So going at your own pace. If I'm going too fast for you, just slow it down to whatever feels right. 7, 8, 9, and last one, and 10. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You are done. Hopefully you can do this again later today. And when you're ready, I'll see you for the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.